this daydreaming, alien. Your uncle would never allow you to marry a common sailor like him. Sorry for putting an end to your fantasies. You always kidnap me. Oh my god.
You can always kidnap me.
You picking that one?
Yeah.
Which one you picking?
He can always kidnap me.
Yes, that's true. But it's actually interesting.
I'll
Yeah,
deal.
did you pick it?
Yeah.
Okay. Because if not, I could always go back. So, yes, that's true. But it's actually... But is he actually interested in you?
Of course. Didn't you see how he was looking at me?
Whoa, hey! This could be you.
Who is that man?
I think he's the man your uncle wants you to marry.
What?
Come on, I was joking. He's one of those indentured servants.
Indentured.
You know how it works, right?
Yeah.
Indentured, excuse me.
Of course I know. I'm the niece of a famous merchant. To be honest. No, how does it work? I'm gonna be the merchant niece. Well...
Cap.
I never would have thought I would meet someone like that. They're a bit scary.
Indeed, not exactly the kind of person I'd like to be alone at night with.
Or ever.
Who's Otto?
You.
What?
You get to be my uncle and my best friend.
Oh, okay.
Clearly.
How do I do that voice? He looks like mischievous.
He looks
Okay.
kind of proper and mischievous. He looks like a mafia. Just do a mafia voice. There you go.
Okay, I got this.
The British mafia.
Helene, Mary, can I see you two? Oh wait, fuck. I mean, good. I see you two found each other.
Yes. Care to explain now why you want me along for this trip? Yes. When do we leave? I'm gonna be the bitch and say yes. Can you explain now?
Why? Well, first because you've been living with my since you were 10 years old and you've never once gone with me anywhere. And second, because it's about time that you move from your lazy butt outside of Liverpool. Your uncle is right. Oh, God. Now, excuse me. I'm keeping Captain Adam waiting.
But, Uncle, what about my luggage?
What? I'm still there on the pier. Eileen.
Yes, I know, but they're heavy.
I don't care. Next time, don't bring useless baggage with you. Wow, I didn't recall your uncle being that mean. What a gentleman.
Yes. New quest added. Press Q key to show the active quest screen. You just discovered a new quest. Wait, no. Look at my fist. Look at my fist. Just look for it. Okay.
Games are secondary apps.
Quests are secondary objectives
Why
that you
can't I
will be able to
press
discover
Q?
during the game. It's possible to finish the game without discovering and completing all the quests, though if you do, you'll lose your chance to see special and hidden events. Every time you uncover a new quest, your score will increase by 2. If you manage to solve it, your score will increase of an additional 3 points for a total of 5 points. Some quests can only be completed under certain conditions. If you fail them, you won't be awarded those 3 extra points. At the end of the game, you'll be awarded a special title based on the score you got. From afar, I see a
I'm trying to figure out how to
finger.
get the Q.
Dread. She waves to us.
Huh?
Stop trying
This
to
has to be like Megan or something.
It would be more, Megan.
It has to be. You want to do this voice?
Hello, darlings. Laura, my uncle's mistress. He's never married and often used to pay visits to brothels. But since he met her a few years ago, he seems to have been loyal to her. I can't stand her, but to be fair, she's always very kind to me, regardless of the fact that I'm always trying to avoid her.
Who is she, Ellie? It's just so hard to whisper.
Seems like someone that lost her clothes along the way, doesn't she? You can't guess who she is. The top one.
Okay. Yes, half naked indeed, but do you know her?
Well, she is a sort of an entertainer, though my uncle frequently...
Oh, Otto! I don't think you would mingle with that kind of people.
It's a pleasure to see you again, Hyleen. You get more beautiful every day. You ready to board the Cat's Dream? Is that what the ship is called? That's a funny name. Laura gets closer and starts to look
Oh my god!
from top to bottom, sniffling around me. Oh, shit. Oh, I hit the wrong key. Damn it. I'm embarrassed, floundering with my words, and flustered out of my mind. Oh, look at you. What a nice dress. And your cute face. You have such marvelous azure eyes. A pity it's not a man giving me all those compliments. I wonder how many men will be after you.
Me?
You do have a boyfriend, right? I can see John getting closer from behind her. My heart's starting to pound wildly. No, I'm so glad at the moment. And forever. Who knows? Maybe you'll find someone during this trip. Maybe the love of a lifetime. John passes us. I wonder if he heard anything.
Good day! Oh my god!
Good day to you, my good-looking sir. What? Ugh, how shameless. Using every chance she gets. John struggles to look away. I'm being completely ignored. I have to go put my luggage in my cabin. Bye, darlings.
Did you see how John was watching her?
Yes, I saw.
So the less a woman wears, the more interesting they are is. Well, she is quite the voluptuous woman.
Are you done?
That's... yes, I understand. I should shut up.
Yes. Thank you. Now forgive me. I need to unpack my stuff too. See you later. I head to my cabin with my luggage. In the distance, John is talking with a funny-looking man who appears to be a cook. Go to your cabin or eavesdrop? Eavesdrop. Your turn.
What? Oh, word. Yes. Oh wait. Yes, I swear. She's like a Greek. What's that word?
Aphrodisiac. Aphrodisiac.
What?
Aphrodisiac.
Aphrodisiac.
Men
Aphrodisiac.
are so I bet John is talking about Laura.
But here on the ship, you are sure? Marco, I told you, but you don't believe me. No, surely you know more about women than me. Never once have I ever been a woman around here. To say the truth, I've never seen any women around. To say the truth, I have never seen any woman around on this ship, ever. Yes.
That John. It's probably a womanizer.
I'm going now. Checking the supplies. Say hi to your clear-eyed booty and give her a kiss for me.
Clear-eyed
Only a
booty.
kiss.
That John.
I am such a good voice actor.
Yeah. They both part their ways. Clear-eyed beauty? I have azure eyes. Laura has blue ones, but they're not exactly clear. New quest added. Press the Q key to show the active quest screen. I have some finally ended
Why can't I press the QB?
Finally, I can't wait to rest. I'm already tired before we even left. Meow. Black cat!
Can I get the cat?
There's a black cat in my room! Help! The cat, probably frightened by my call, flees the cabin. They call me Black,
They
and
call me
indeed,
Black
I am a black cat.
Okay, fine.
I live aboard the ship. The cat streams with my owner, Captain Adam. He says he hates cats, and their only purpose is to catch rats. But I am sure that deep down he loves me, as with the rest of his crew.
Forgive me, madam. Why do I always have to be the guys?
It just works out that way.
Okay. Forgive me, madam. It's my cat, Black. He likes to sneak inside the cabins to sit on the soft beds. Haha! Insolent perhaps, but not stupid. Don't you agree? Helene, is everything alright? What happened?
There was a black cat inside the cabin.
And?
Captain Adam dismisses himself, making a slight bow with his head. Nothing. I was just scared because he appeared so suddenly.
That one?
Yeah.
You're always the same. Now excuse me, I have to go to my cabin. I'm unbelievably tired. See ya! What's all this noise? A cat? Helene, avoid wasting time with those stupid beasts. There are lots of things to tidy up in the cabin. Gonna move on.
My uncle definitely doesn't love animals. John's gone! I'm really starting to hate my uncle. Otto! Don't scold the little one that way. I'll tidy up her cabin. By the dickens, did she just call me little one? And why does she want to clean my cabin? Thank you very much, Laura, but I can do it myself. Oh, of course. Sorry. I just thought that you could go get acquainted with the crew while I arranged everything here. Pathetic excuse to try to rake through my most intimate secrets. And then she'd make into the joke on this ship. She can forget about that. No, I'm very tired. I prefer to sleep than walk around. Sure thing, darling. Sleep well. Kisses. Dear Lord. She kisses up in no
Dear
shame.
Lord.
I close the door behind me, alone at last. It's a bit dark inside here, but I managed to put everything in place. This definitely isn't a voyage of luxury, but the bed seems comfortable enough, contrary to my expectations. I try to sleep for a few hours. I feel the ship setting sail, moving away from the quay. I feel thrilled knowing that, in a sense, I can't turn back. I have to admit it. I'm just a bit afraid. A whisper awakes me. It's coming from somewhere far away. I get up and try to find where it's coming from. Chapter 2, First Kiss. Ooh.